Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, Oliver's age is twice that of Samuel, where Samuel's age is twice that of Nick, and finally Nick's age is twice that of Peter. Now their average of the ages of all four of them is 37.5 years, and thus we have to find the present age of Nick. So let the age of Peter let Peter's age be x years, right? Therefore, Nick's age will be equals to x years as mentioned in the question, and Samuel's age is twice of Nick's age, so it will be 2 multiplied by 2x, which is 4x years. And again, Oliver's age is twice that of Samuel, so Oliver's age will be equals 2 multiplied by 4x, which is equals 8x years. Now it has been given that the average of their ages is equals 37.5 years. So according to the question, x plus 2x plus 4x plus 8x upon 4 will be equals 37.5. Upon further simplification, we have 8x plus 4x, which is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14, 15. So 15x will be equals 37.5 multiplied by 4. Now divide both sides of the equality by 15 in order to get the value of x. So x will be equals 37.5 multiplied by 4 divided by 15. Let's use the calculator to solve this question. So 37.5 multiplied by 4 divided by 15 is equals 10. So the value of x is 10. Now in the question they have asked us to find the present age of Nick. Therefore Nick's age will be equals 2x, which is 2 multiplied by 10, which will be equals 20 years. So this will be our final required answer. Thank you and have a great day.